Welcome to an exciting journey where creativity meets technology. In this guide, we'll explore how to create viral AI-generated anime reels and monetize them effectively. From generating stunning visuals to leveraging social media, I'll break down every step to help you earn $5,000 or more per month. Stay with me until the end for the best tips and tricks. To create stunning visuals, we'll use Leonardo AI. Sign up. Create an account. 150 free daily credits. Choose prompts. Access curated prompts available in the video description. Generate images. Input prompts into Leonardo AI's creation box. Select the aspect ratio, 9:16 for Reels or 2:3 for other formats. Use the anime preset for beautiful results. Pro tip: you can also use Midjourney for even higher quality images. Here's how to convert your static AI-generated images into animated videos. Using Leonardo AI, select an image and click the Generate Motion Video icon. Download the results and repeat for additional images. Alternative: Immersity AI. Sign up and upload your images. Experiment with animation styles and settings. Export the animated video in just a few clicks. Pro tip: to enhance animation, tweak settings, and adjust speed for a polished look. Use the CapCut app for seamless video editing. Duplicate clips to extend video length. Add transitions for smooth playback. Increase video speed to make animations more engaging. Add background music. Use trending music from Instagram to boost virality. Here's how popular Instagram accounts in this niche generate thousands of dollars monthly. 1. Offer freelance services. Promote AI-generated video services in your bio. Respond to comments and DMs from potential clients. Highlight benefits like customization and unique styles. 2. Sell wallpapers. Convert AI images into wallpapers and sell them. Platforms like Etsy are ideal for reaching customers. Pricing: sell each wallpaper for $3, e.g., 1,700 sales equal $5,100. Why people buy. Many can't create high-quality AI images due to lack of skills in crafting prompts. 3. Sell online courses. Teach others how to generate AI images and videos. Price your course competitively, e.g., $100. Example: 50 course sales equals $5,000 month.